this November 11 is National Education Day. Why we are celebrating November 11 as the National Education Day? There is some reason behind that. The reason is that today is the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the first educational minister of independent India. That's why we are celebrating today as November 11 as National Education Day. Because Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad had contributed a lot for the democratization of the education of India. Is the main reason. And today, and there is another day related with education, that is January 24th. November 11 is the National Education Day of India. January 24th is the International Educational Day. International Education Day, UNESCO has declared 2 years back. National Education Day on November 11, we have been celebrating since 2008. We are celebrating this. International Educational Day is on January 24th. That is also related with education. There is another day related to education, that is September 5th, Teachers' Day. So I'm telling about the plight of writing skill, reading skill, all those things, because as a result of this technology, there's a paradigm shift in learning and understanding. So what I want to say is that gaining knowledge or education should not be confined to your syllabus. Syllabus, of course, you can study it, you can write it, you can pass. That does not mean that that is education. Education is beyond that. It is beyond syllabus. But our parents, teachers, students, they restrict us within the syllabus. There lies the problem. Education, what is the definition of education? Education is the cultivation of mind. Education is the cultivation of mind.